In this video, we will be replacing the halogen headlight bulb on this 2012 Harley-Davidson with an all-new LED light from Ayla Lighting. The bulb is located here, and we can access it by removing the assembly. We first need to remove the hood by loosening this screw. Make sure to hold the nut in place. To remove the assembly, remove these 3 screws. Make sure not to unscrew the other ones. Those are for adjusting the bulb. Now we can take out the assembly. Unplug the bulb by pulling the connector straight out. You may have to wiggle it a bit if it's stuck. Next, we will remove the rubber ring. The bulb is held in by this spring. Unhook the spring to remove the original halogen bulb. We will be replacing it with this all-new LED light from Ayla Lighting. The base of the bulb is similar to the original halogen bulb for easy installation. This bulb is for both high and low beam applications. The chip for the high beam should be on the bottom, here, and the low beam should be on the top here. The bulb should also be installed vertically, with LED chips facing left and right for optimum performance. The spring won't fit over the bulb, so first remove the chuck by pulling it straight off. Then insert the chuck and lock it into place with the spring. Then insert the bulb into the rubber ring. Line up the top of the bulb with the top of the chuck. Make sure the arrow on the rubber ring matches up with the arrow on the assembly. The wires should be hanging to the side when installed correctly. Now we can plug the new bulb into the socket. Put everything into the housing and replace the assembly. Line up this tab on the assembly with this notch. Lock the assembly into place by replacing the metal ring, and then the 3 screws holding it on. Then replace the hood. It's easier to start with the screw on top. Replace the screw and nut. And begin tightening it, but not all the way. Now we can turn the hood until it's in the proper alignment. Once the screw is on the bottom, you can finish tightening the hood in place. Here's a 2012 Harley-Davidson with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature from the original halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.